Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the metal, how thick it is, whether rust or paint bonds it, and where it sits on the glass. Put on nitrile gloves and mask glass edges with tape to prevent chips. Use glass cleaner to remove oil so tools bite properly. Start with a thin razor at a low angle to lift an edge. This minimizes scratching. Once you pry a gap, switch to gentle scraping rather than heavy pressure so you avoid cracking the pane. Once you have an edge, alternate scraping with a solvent like acetone or isopropyl to soften adhesives or paint binding the metal. Apply solvent, wait a minute, then scrape again. This reduces force and risk. For stubborn metallic flakes, use 0000 steel wool with light circular strokes. This polishes without deep scratches. Make sure to rinse the area frequently and inspect under bright light. Continual inspection. You finish by polishing with cerium oxide on a felt pad to remove micro scratches left by scraping. This restores clarity. Buff in overlapping passes, then wipe clean with a lint-free cloth and glass cleaner to judge success. Make sure to inspect from multiple angles. If tiny pits or a whitish etch persist after careful polishing, stop. Avoid aggressive grinding. Troubleshooting tip. If the glass still shows etching or deep damage, consult a professional glass repair service rather than risk breaking the pane.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.